This newly launched AI tool gives you completely and powerful access to over 500 AI models from big names like Chatgpt, Gemini AI, DeepSeek, Claude, Grok, and so many other ones out there, completely free of charge. Underline that word, you are not paying any subscription. And the sweetest part of it is that they still pay you on top of it. It sounds too good to be true, but that is exactly what it is. Welcome to Yupp.ai. Yupp.ai was launched this June 2025, and it is actually changing the way we interact with AI. The AI economy is actually changing, and Yupp is bringing something totally different from what we used to have. Before you get access to any of these pro version of all these AI tools, you pay for subscription. But Yupp.ai is giving it to us free of charge. And on top of that, they are still paying us for making use of these AI tools. That is very wonderful. And that is something that you cannot afford to miss. Yupp.ai is a gamified blockchain-backed chat platform that allows you to try multiple AI models and then choose the one you prefer. And when you make your choice, you provide feedback and then you get paid real cash. I mean dollars, real cash. As you use this app on daily basis, they pay you. And I will show you how I make money using this AI tool. But first of all, let us talk about why this AI tool matters, why it might interest you to use it. Number one reason why this AI tool might interest you is that they have a strong backing from notable angels like Coinbase Ventures and the likes, and they raised over $33 million this June to back the project. Number two, response comparison. When you submit your prompt, Yupp.ai sends this prompt to different AI models, get response from them, and then allow you to compare these responses to check which one is better than the other, and then you choose. So it offers you opportunity to compare the responses and then choose the one that best suits whatever you want to do. Number three, they take feedback from you. When you choose any of the responses that is given to you, then they ask you for a feedback to understand the reason behind your preference. And with that, you are contributing to the development of AI models. Then the last one is you get paid for using this AI tool. And that is the one that makes me happy about the platform. Yupp.ai rewards every feedback you give to it through a scratch card reward mechanism. They pay you $1 for every 1,000 credit units you have, and you can cash out up to $10 in a day. Also, these credit units lets you use the app without paying for any subscription. In a few minutes, I'll be showing you how it works. Meanwhile, if you are getting value from this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share the video to your friends. It will not cost you anything. That is the only way you will encourage us to continue coming out with videos like this that will keep teaching you on how to use these AI tools and make money and build wealth for yourself. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and also share the video to your friends. Invite them so that they can learn with us. So let's talk about how this AI tool works. Think of it this way. You walk into a kitchen where you have two top chefs, one from Nigeria, one from Ghana, and then you tell them, you give them an order to make you a jollof rice. And they both get to work. With their recipes, they were able to come out with good jollof rice. And then you take a bite from both plates. You take from this plate, take from this plate, and then you choose your favorite. So tell me, which one do you choose? Is it Nigerian jollof or Ghana jollof? Which one is your favorite? Well, that is, by the way, whichever one you choose, but that is exactly what Yupp.ai is giving to us. It gives you opportunity to try multiple AI models and then choose the one that best suits whatever you want to do. When you get to Yupp.ai and then you type in your prompt, it could be a question, it could be a task, it could be whatever it is, you type it in. What Yupp.ai will do is that they will send this your prompt to different AI models, especially the top ones. They send this your prompt to these AI models and then get responses from them. And then they will put these responses side by side. You will now compare the responses and then choose the one that actually fits your style. And when you choose, Yupp.ai will ask you why you make that choice, and that is in form of feedback. Then when you give that feedback, they will come up with a scratch card as a reward. Then when you scratch this scratch card, you will now see how many credit units you have got from that feedback. That is how it works. I've used this AI tool to do so many things, and I love all I am getting from it. And that brings me to the main thing. Now let me show you how to use these AI tools and how you also earn your reward while using it. Get the link from the description of this video. Just click on the link and then come with me. Let me show you how to use the app. When you click the link, you may see site not reachable. Don't worry, it means you are not within the region. So the next thing we need to do is to use VPN. So let's go get our VPN. You can download any VPN, but I am using Proton. Let's connect it and go back to Yupp.ai. It's already connected, so you see the app is now verifying. So you can see the interface. When you come here, it will show you your country and age, because they want people that are up to 18 years to use the app. So you input your age and continue. The app is ready for us to use. So let's input our prompt and then see the response we will get. What makes this app very unique is that it gets responses from over 500 AI models and choose the best two and place it side by side for you to choose the one that best suits whatever you want to do. I will input my prompt now. So this is my prompt. I asked this AI tool to generate a detailed prompt for me to generate an image of a futuristic Nigerian city. I want you to note something here. The prompt was as clear as possible. And that is where many people get it wrong when it comes to talking to AI. They get results that are not appropriate because their prompt was faulty. And that is why you need to learn about prompt engineering. Go to the description of this video. You will see a link of my ebook on Talk to AI Like a Pro. You can get it and then improve your skills on prompting. Now let's check out the responses we will get. It's already generating our responses. So let's watch. Okay, the response is here. So let's look at them and then make our comparison and choose. This is where the issue of Nigerian jollof and Ghana jollof comes in. So let's check. It has given us one from Chatgpt. So let's look at it. This is the response. You scroll up to see everything. So this response is from Chatgpt. So let's now go and check the other response from the other AI tool and then compare the two. So this is the second AI tool, Command AI. This is another powerful AI tool. It has gotten me a response from here. So let's look at this one and then read through, scroll up, read through, and then check, compare it with what we got from Chatgpt and know the one that is better for us. As you scroll down, you check the things you may need. Like this one, it gives us key element breakdown of what they did, and that is a plus for this particular AI tool. So you check it and then check the one you prefer. But for me, I think I prefer Chatgpt. That is Nigerian jollof and Ghana jollof. So you know the one you prefer. But I'm taking Chatgpt for this particular video. So I will click on this, I prefer this, and then go to the next thing. The next thing is the feedback dialog box, where you will be asked why you made the choices you made. So let's take a look at the dialog box where it's asking you why you choose Chatgpt. Is it on target? Is it fast? Is it the style? Is it detailed? And then why are you not choosing Command AI? Is it wrong? Is it hallucinating? Is it slow? Is it vague? Is it generic? And so many other questions that you might encounter. So based on that, you can now choose why you choose your particular AI model. So for me, I'm choosing Chatgpt because I like using Chatgpt anyway. That is just that. So I will choose it because it's on target and then I like their style. So I will click on the response boxes, and then for Command AI, there is no reason why I don't like it. I just choose Chatgpt. So, but if there are other reasons why you like Chatgpt or any of the AI model, there is a box provided down. There you can just write more details to provide more answers or more explanations to your choice. And based on that, you are contributing to the development of AI models. After that, you click on the feedback button down that is on black box. You click on it and then submit your feedback. And boom, your reward have landed. This is the scratch card we've been talking about. So you scratch the card and see how many credit units you have gotten for using this particular AI tool to solve your problem. Because the prompt you have generated is for you to be able to create your content or create any image or whatever you want. That is how you get rewarded for using this AI tool. You get paid for using this AI tool. Is that not wonderful? So let's go ahead and scratch the card. And boom, I got 248 credit units. That is the beauty of Yupp.ai. So that is how you earn from Yupp.ai. Let's go ahead and then let me show you some other things you need to know about the app. Click on the logo at the left top hand side. Check down, you will see your profile icon. Click on it and it will bring you to this interface where you will see how much credit you have gotten, and then you see cash out. If you click on this cash out button, you will now be able to cash out using your crypto wallet. You need to use wallet that supports Solana or Base Network, and you will not cash out except if your credit unit is up to 6,000. You can also edit your profile here, get your referral link here, join their socials, the Discord, the Telegram, and the rest. So that is how you make money using this AI tool. There are so much you can make in AI, and I keep saying it, don't ignore AI. So that is it for Yupp.ai. And if you are getting value from this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share the video to your friends. And let's keep learning all these things that AI too can give us for free. I keep saying it and I keep saying it, and I'll still say it again. Don't ignore AI. AI is the new trend. AI is the new money-making machine. Leverage on the opportunities that it provides and build wealth for yourself. There is no slack in this 2025. Begin to do something and then your wealth journey will become very smooth. And if there is any particular AI tool that is of interest to you, please go to the comment section, comment it there, write it down so that we can pick it up and learn how to use it together and learn how to use it to make money and build wealth for ourselves. Remember that it is Amy Wealth Money Lane, where we talk about money and everything that has to do with wealth building. Hit the like button and start now because there is no time.